Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the Saturday edition. Saturday, March the 2nd, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles. The 3 stars Sudoku, the killer Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. And those puzzles are, I believe, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. And this one you are interested, the 3 stars Sudoku here. The 3 stars binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 8114. Before I start, I always count the printed digits on this one. 28 printed digits. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an... Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the 5th one, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can mean a 1. This should be no. If I place the 5th one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So here can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And now, well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 entry box 3, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Here also between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. I think we need to 1, 2, 3. Oh, here we have a double one. Here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Well. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And see you in a minute. Until then, bye bye for now.